In this example, we're going to take a look at when work is done against gravity. Because the force of gravity is always acting downwards, we can use the force of gravity to do work for us. So here we have a 60 kilogram student who climbs a ladder to a vertical distance of 4 meters above where he started. Now I want to know how much work was done against gravity during this climb. The first thing we have to do, if we're going to do work against gravity, is we have to find the force of gravity that's acting on the student. When a student is pulling themselves up the ladder, it's their own weight that they're working against. So to find the weight of the student, we multiply the student's mass by the acceleration due to gravity. We find that the force of gravity acting on the student is 590 newtons. So now we can list out the things we know in our problem. We know the force of gravity and we know the displacement, and we want to find out how much work was done against this force of gravity. So we're going to use the equation work is equal to force times displacement. In this scenario, since we're working against gravity, it's going to be the force of gravity, and that's 590 newtons times 4 meters. And we find that there's 2,360 joules of work done to lift a 60 kilogram student approximately 4 meters.